This is the Study Buddy. It's a backpack sewing pattern from me at Studio 77. Now this bag was designed to be for school-aged children, but after I designed it, I saw that it also makes a really useful bag for all ages. And hopefully you can see how cool it can be for us adults too. This sewing pattern has so many possibilities, and I have included some add-on packs for the front of the bag to make it truly unique to your style. So let's go over some of the features. On the outside, we have a large front pocket. Now this pocket will fit an A5 or half letter size notebook inside. On the sides of the bag, we have two expandable pockets, and these are made possible with the elastic on the sides, and you can hold small bottles or larger bottles. Great for water bottles and coffee cups. On the back, we have a security zipper pocket and these shaped padded straps. Really useful for carrying school books all day or just for all day comfort. On the inside, we have a padded device sleeve and we have a zipper pocket as well. And hopefully you can see that it is a bound construction. I'm going to take you through all of the construction for this bag, as well as give as many tips and tricks as I go, from how to overcome thicker seams to bias binding tips. This is an intermediate plus sewing pattern, especially due to the add-ons, which I'll talk about, due to some of the layers as well as the curves. But I always say, give it a go. Remember, there are full video tutorials taking you through it step by step, and you can always reach out in the Facebook group if you're having any issues and one of us can help. Now during the first video tutorial, I'm going to take you through fabric considerations, and I definitely recommend you go for a light waterproof canvas or quilting cotton if your machine doesn't like layers, at least for your first try of this bag. Now you don't have to use stabilizer on this bag, but there are a couple of areas that I definitely recommend it, which again I will talk to you about in the first video tutorial. Now, as well as the two video tutorials, this pattern comes with letter and A4 full templates and a projector file. It's sadly too large for SVGs, but the add-on packs do come with these where possible. So let's talk about the add-on packs. The Study Buddy isn't just a plain backpack, there are add-on packs too. And the first of these is the unicorn. And these packs include all of the embellishments and templates to turn your backpack into a super cute character. Now you can find the link to all of the tutorials that go with the Study Buddy in the description below. Or if you are a 77 Club member, when this pattern comes out in the club, and therefore you're getting this pattern in advance, you can find it all within the pattern module as well. I really hope that you love making this bag. Do let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to check out the other Study Buddy videos when they come out. I'll see you there.